To access the digital stickers, you'll want to open up the zip folder that all the files are saved in, and there's a couple of different folders with clip art for like the dates. There's also some for the specials classes that you can use, which look like this. Or there's a folder that's filled with all of the digital stickers that have outlined and not outlined, which I'll show you in just a minute. So there's the plain, which it looks like this, no outline or anything like that. And then I'll show you what the outlined version looks like. The outlined version has a white background and then just an outline around the border. And you can use the search bar to search for any particular digital sticker that you're looking for, and it will pop them up. Just taking a second to load. So here are a couple of options for assembly that you can choose between, and then you'll just drag it straight into either PowerPoint or Google Slides, depending on whatever one you use, and then you can resize them as needed to fit where you'd like it to fit, and drag and drop it wherever you would like it to on your lesson plans, or you can do it on the planner, the calendar planner. So I'll just show you how to searching a few different ones, and you can kind of see the variety that's included as well. Now, if you drag and drop it directly over another image, it's going to replace that image like you just saw. So if that happens to you, just hit undo and then drag it into a different spot that's not over another image. And then that will just load in there normally. So I'm dragging them up to the top right corner since there's no clip art or images in that spot. There's lots of options to choose from, so hopefully you'll find one for anything that you need.